everyone, on behalf of AJT Travel and Tours, I am Jessica, your tour guide for today, and I would like to welcome you here in Davao City. First of all, I would like you to know that Davao City is a city in Mindanao, Philippines, which is the center of Metro Davao. This is the third most populous metropolitan area in the Philippines. The city serves as the main trade, commerce, and industry hub of Mindanao, and this is also the regional center for Davao region. Davao City's name is derived from East Bagobo origins. The word Davao came from the phonetic blending of three Bagobo subgroups, names for the Davao River, a major waterway into the Davao Gulf near the city. As you can see at my back, this is the Mount Apo. This is a tribal god's abode. Mount Apo is the tallest peak in the country at 10,311 feet above sea level. This is the mightiest upward surge of a long mountain range extending from North Cotabato, Davao del Sur, Davao City to Agusan del Sur, and Samis Oriental in northern Mindanao. It straddles along mountain range connecting the boundaries of the province of Davao del Sur, North Cotabato, and Davao City. The volcanic peak Apo, meaning grandfather of all Philippine mountains, dominates a vast area of 72,769 hectares, where natural wanderers, outdoor enthusiasts to trek through this tribal god's domain and country. This towering peak and sea, an exotic display of nature. At its best in its virgin state, a steaming blue lake, waterfalls cascading with a thunderous roar from a deep gorge of a total drop of almost 300 feet. Climbing Mount Apo takes 4 days. There are many trails, so climbers often ascend and descend through different routes to see more of the place. And now guys, we're here at the Philippine Eagle Nature Center. As you can see at my back, you can see a different kind of birds. It is once known as the monkey-eating eagle. It is found only to the eastern portion of the Philippines, comprising the Sierra Madre Mountains in eastern Luzon and the heavily forested area of Mindanao. The largest eagle, standing to about 3.5 feet, may be recognized by its powerful bill, strong legs, and claws. The very size of the monkey-eating eagle with its majestic stance makes it a very desirable target. Is a trophy. And now we're here at the shrine of the Holy Infant Jesus of Prague. As you can see, this is an open-air chapel with replicas of the Holy Infant Jesus of Prague and that of Our Lady of Fatima. Magnificent views of fruit-bearing trees and coconut plantation. This consists of retreat house, seminar hall, canteen, children's playground, pilgrims hall, restaurant, souvenir shop, and they also sell religious articles like rosaries, medals, pamphlets, and novenas. As you can see, we're here in the San Pedro Cathedral. It looks like old because this is the oldest church here in Davao City. It was named after San Pedro, the patron saint of Davao. This church was built in the year of 1847 during the Spanish period, led by Don Jose Oyanguren, the Spanish conquistador of Davao. The old altar of then San Pedro Church is preserved at the right wing of the cathedral, featuring the old and antique images of saints and also the Saint Peter. This church is the oldest church here in Davao City. It was named after San Pedro, the one patron saint of Davao. And now we're here at the Davao Museum. As you can see at my back, this is one of the cultural dance. It was called the ethnic dance because they are using instrument. And Davao Museum is a landmark which offers the opportunity to understand the soul of the different people here in Davao. Its main gallery is a repository of tribal art and other material culture such as the tribal art costumes, jewelries, handicrafts, and others. This museum also has a gallery of paintings, sculptures, and ceramics. They have also a souvenir shop of native crafts. This landmark which offers the opportunity to understand the soul of the people of Davao, such as they have other material culture such as tribal art costumes, jewelries, handicrafts, and others. Since we're done, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to roam you around here in Davao City to see some of our famous attractions. And on behalf of AJT Travel and Tours, we would like to thank you for visiting Davao City. Thank you and God bless you.